Hey everyone, welcome back to our tech channel. Today, we've got some exciting updates about the Samsung Z Fold 6. There's a lot to cover, so let's unfold the details. First up, the Z Fold 6 might come with IronFlex technology, which is poised to be a game-changer in terms of durability and design for foldable phones. This technology could revolutionize how foldable phones withstand everyday wear and tear. But that's not all. There's even more excitement on the horizon. There's buzzing talk about a potential redesign for the Z Fold 6. It's rumored that this device could take inspiration from the Galaxy S25 series, hinting at sleeker lines and the possibility of new functionalities that could enhance the user experience. So, there you have it, the latest scoop on the Samsung Z Fold 6. These updates underscore Samsung's commitment to pushing the boundaries and evolving its foldable tech. What are your thoughts on these changes? We'd love to hear from you, so don't hesitate to drop your comments below. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay up to date with the latest tech news. Catch you in the next video.